What is full coverage insurance? Are you tired of being confused about your car insurance policy? Do you feel like you're paying for coverage you don't fully understand? In this video, we're going to take the mystery out of full coverage insurance. We'll discuss what's included in a full coverage policy, from collision to comprehensive coverage. We'll explain how your coverage limits and deductibles can affect the cost and level of protection your policy provides. And most importantly, we'll help you understand the different types of coverage available, so you can make an informed decision about what type of policy is best for you. So whether you're a new driver looking to purchase your first policy, or you're a seasoned pro looking to review your current coverage, this video is a must-watch. With our help, you'll be able to navigate the confusing world of car insurance with confidence. Keep watching, and let's dive into the world of full coverage insurance. What does full coverage insurance mean? Do you need it? Before you hit the road, there are a few things you should know: how to get there and how to protect yourself along the way. Most people will buy full coverage insurance to protect their vehicles. But what exactly does that entail? There are three main types of car insurance coverage: liability, collision, and comprehensive. Liability and full coverage car insurance are not the same things, but full coverage includes liability. Liability coverage is the most fundamental type of car insurance and is frequently required by law. Assume you're driving down the road and accidentally rear-end another vehicle. The other driver and their passengers have been injured, and their vehicle has been severely damaged. Who will pay for their medical bills and car repairs? This is where liability insurance comes in. It is intended to protect you financially if you are found to be at fault in an accident. Now, most insurance agents only use the term full coverage insurance to refer to the combination of collision and comprehensive coverage. So, what exactly do these cover? Collision coverage is among the most important types of car insurance coverage you can have, and it is required as part of a full coverage policy. But what is collision coverage and how does it protect you? Imagine driving down the road when out of nowhere, another driver runs a red light and crashes into your car. The damage to your vehicle is extensive, and you're now wondering who will pay for the repairs. That's where collision coverage comes in. It pays for the damages to your car regardless of who is at fault in the accident. But collision coverage is not only limited to accidents with other vehicles. It also covers accidents like hitting a tree, a telephone pole, or even a guardrail. Even if you were the one who caused the accident, your collision coverage will kick in and help cover paying for those damages. But wait, there's more. Collision coverage is also useful when renting a car because it covers damage to the rental car in the event of an accident. Having collision coverage provides you with peace of mind in case something goes wrong. It's similar to having a financial safety net for your car, and it is an essential component of a comprehensive policy that will provide you with the necessary roadside protection. Comprehensive coverage, on the other hand, is a type of car insurance that covers a wide range of incidents, such as theft, destruction of property, natural calamities, and even falling objects such as a tree branch. It also covers damages caused by hitting an animal, such as a deer or a cow. It can also cover damages caused by riots, civil unrest, or even an asteroid. It is important to note that comprehensive coverage does not cover damages resulting from a collision or accident with another vehicle. This is where collision coverage comes into play. Although comprehensive and collision coverage are frequently sold together as a part of a full coverage policy, they are very distinct types of coverage. Suppose your car is parked on the sidewalk and a tree falls on it during a storm. Your comprehensive policy would cover payments to fix damage the tree caused. And if your car is stolen, comprehensive coverage will aid you in covering the cost of replacing it. It's like adding another layer of protection to your vehicle, and it's a great way to ensure that you're fully protected when something goes wrong in an unexpected event. When learning more about full coverage insurance, you need to first understand coverage limits and deductibles. Your limits and deductibles will determine the amount of protection and financial coverage provided by your policy. Coverage limits are the maximum amount of money an insurance company will pay out when there's a claim filed. If the coverage limits are too low, they may not cover the full extent of damages or injuries sustained in an accident. leaving you, the policyholder, to pay the remaining costs out of pocket. Understanding your coverage limits will help you figure out if they will be enough to protect you in the event of an accident. Meanwhile, your deductible is the amount of money you have to pay out of pocket before the insurance company starts to cover the cost of a claim. A higher deductible will result in a lower premium, but it will also require you to pay more out of pocket before your coverage begins. Understanding your full coverage insurance coverage limits and deductibles can assist you in making informed policy decisions and ensuring that you have the appropriate level of protection and financial coverage in the event of something going wrong. Please remember that you must really understand all of these details to make an informed decision. There are also coverage requirements in certain scenarios. For example, if you are financing a vehicle, you must, at the very least, maintain full coverage insurance. Full coverage insurance is optional if you own your own car, especially if it is worth more than $4,000. It's optional but still strongly recommended. Keep in mind, even though the word full is in this coverage type's name, full coverage does not cover everything. Things it won't cover include liability, uninsured motorist, medical expenses, personal injury protection, towing and labor, rental car reimbursement, customized parts, or gap insurance. If you need more protection for your car or yourself beyond full coverage, you can always buy more insurance to add to your existing policy. So, there you have it. That's our comprehensive breakdown of full coverage insurance. From liability coverage to collision and comprehensive coverage, we've explained exactly what types of protection you can expect with a full coverage policy. And we've talked about how your coverage limits and deductibles can affect the cost and level of protection your policy provides. We hope this video has helped you understand the ins and outs of full coverage insurance. Now you should have a better idea of what type of policy is best for you. Remember, whether you're a new driver or a senior driver, it's important to regularly review your coverage limits and deductibles to ensure that you're fully protected on the road. Also, don't forget that there are still other types of coverage available, such as uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, medical payments coverage, and rental reimbursement coverage. Make sure to review all the coverage options available and choose the right ones that meet your needs and fit your budget. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare several insurance rates for free today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Stay safe on the road. Thank you for watching and see you at our next one.